If you're in the market for a soundbar, Sennheiser Ambeo is a great choice. It offers some major benefits that make it stand out from the competition. I'm going to give you 5 reasons of why this might be the best soundbar for you. The first reason this might be the best soundbar for you is that this soundbar can be paired with TV sets that have an optical input or an HDMI ARC input. This means that you can connect your TV in a couple different ways in case your TV is tied up using some of those valuable ports. The second reason this soundbar might be the best one for you is that it delivers powerful and immersive audio. It has a sleek design and it's easy to set up. With the added bass and high-powered watts, it's ideal for movie lovers and gamers alike. It produces clear vocals and crisp highs. The third reason this soundbar might be the best one for you is because it comes with Bluetooth connectivity in case you want to stream some of your favorite songs from your favorite streaming platform. The fourth reason this soundbar might be the best one for you is because it offers the best sound quality for its price. It has a different mounting options available so that you can choose whichever suits your needs for mounting it on a wall or if you want to place it just on a tabletop. The fifth and the last reason is the easy setup. It comes with an easy to read manual that makes the setup process quick and easy for anyone to do it without any professional help. You don't need to be a highly skilled tech person in order to get it up and running quickly. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.